left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. You guys can see how happy, how excited I'm sounding and how beautiful I'm looking. Yeah. So guys, today is 13th of December, yeah, and we are having a work get together through Christmas hangout, get together, whatever, today, like work. Yeah, so myself and my colleagues, we are hanging out today. So we'll be doing bowling, and I'll be doing bowling for the first time today. So when I told my colleague that I think it's going to be my first time doing bowling, she was like, wow, really? You've not done bowling before? I said, no, I've not done it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing bowling today. I mean, your girl is ready to parry, to bowl, to everything that's going to be happening today. I'm super duper ready. And I have work tomorrow morning, but yeah. Also, I'm the only black girl in my workplace. Like every other person in my workplace are all Oyibo. I'm the only black girl there. So I don't know if I might try and vlog, but I might not show their face. I don't know. But I'll try and carry you guys along with me, okay? So I'm all dressed up. I'll show you guys outfit of the day now. I'm all dressed up. My colleague will stop by my house now and carry me. Like we'll be going together. Yeah, he'll just, I think this is 15 past. By 5:30, he will be by my gate and I will join him. Yeah. It's not all my work colleagues that will be coming. It's just those that are free, because some of them are currently at work now. So those that are not at work and are free to come. Yeah, I was supposed to work today, but I was like, can you just give me today off? Let me enjoy. Your girl is going to enjoy herself. I mean, how do I look? Oh yeah, let me turn the camera. Outfit check. So I'll be going with this, my little bag, my phone is in this bag. It's cold, you guys, it's very cold, so my phone is in this bag, my head muff, my muffler, and then I'll grab my jacket and yeah. Hope I'm dressed for bowling. Hope I did not bowling things, bowling, come on, all right, yeah, my muffler, my head muff, because you guys trust me, it's very cold. I think right now it's 6 degrees. So yeah, I'll grab my jacket downstairs and I
keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. It's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by.
Mom, you're vlogging me.
Am I vlogging you? This girl is a vlogger. This girl said I'm vlogging her. How am I vlogging you, girl?
Mommy, Penguin didn't eat. Penguin didn't eat.
Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward, looking at the skyline, looking back at my life. All I gotta say is one of a kind.
okay.
She read it so fast. I was like, oh, okay. Cool.
She's coming because I want.
It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shave when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah,
Cheers. The bar, I think.
So that should be the back. Okay. Thank you. So what can I do?
Just gonna have a coke.
Coke?
Yeah. Driving, innit?
Oh yeah.
Gotta be careful.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, that's taking pictures and
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else will succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be.
I had fun today, I'll not even lie. I had fun. It's been a long time I went out. So guys, I just go back now from the hangout with my work colleague. Yeah, you guys, I had so much fun. I mean, I did bowling the first time and I won. You guys do not believe. I did it the first time. I didn't clear the balls. Is it called balls or whatever the cone bottle thing is? I didn't clear them. I did the second one. I cleared one or two. Then from the third one, it was clearance sales. Clearance. I was clearing and my point was coming up. Like the first round, I came. Was it fourth? Yeah. Then the second round, I came, I think second, and your girl is now a baller. Yeah, I'm so happy. I had fun. I had something to eat. I think I ate burger. I drank. Boy, yeah. So it was beautiful. It was a lovely outing, and I feel some kind of relief. Yeah, I really needed this, you guys. I feel kind of free, kind of relief, because I don't know if you're following me on Instagram. At some point, I was like, my head wants to upload. Like, I've been so busy, so I needed this hangout to ease off the stress, the tension, everything. And I'm happy I went out. Yeah. So yeah, I'm so tired, super knackered, and
Are you going again?
no, baby, I'm not going out again. So I'm so tired now. I want to shower and then go to bed, because tomorrow I'm going to work in the morning tomorrow. Yeah. So come. Yeah, so if this is the end of this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I don't know if this is the end of the vlog. I don't know. If it's not, alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. But if it's the end of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. Jump! How are you, baby? Are you sleeping? Mommy is back. Did you miss me? Now let me shower, okay? Then I'll cuddle you to sleep, back to sleep. Okay? Now come down. It's late, baby. My room is a mess. I need to tidy my room, because this is past 11 p.m. So, I had so much fun, baby. I had so much. Oh, this one is sleeping. My small baby. My small. Should I catwalk for you?
Yeah. Come on, mommy. Come on, mommy.
Hey, so come, let's catwalk together. Hey.
Mommy, you look so pretty.
Thanks, baby. I look pretty here. Yeah. Yeah. I look pretty. I look pretty. Go and sit down. I look pretty. I look pretty. Pretty. So yeah, right?
Pretty.
Pretty is the word, girl. Hey. Girl, Mimi. Higher, every day I will lift my Jesus higher, every day. Ooh, every day I will lift my Jesus higher, every day. Higher, every day I will lift my Jesus higher, every day.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
You forgot me!
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can